What if video game characters just showed up in real life? Mario jumps 10 feet, punches bricks with his head, and still screams like, "Wahoo!" He'd be banned from every construction site. Sonic runs faster than sound, destroys highways just by existing, and eats only chili dogs. Not practical, but iconic. Minecraft Steve can punch a tree down with his bare fists, carry 10,000 blocks in his pocket, and still get scared of the dark. Kirby sucks everything. Literally everything. He's just a cute vacuum of destruction. So yeah, maybe it's better they're pixels, not people. Like and subscribe before Kirby swallows your fridge.